Notional FHIM to FIRE methodology. This slide shows a notional FHIM-based FIRE development methodology, where product use case scenarios are 1. Organized into EHR-S FM clinical domain functional conformance criteria. 2. Aligned with US-CDI-FHIM-CIMI clinical domain archetypes and patterns for findings, orders, procedures, etc. 3. Where US-CDI data elements and classes are harmonized within FHIM and FHIM archetype patterns are constrained into semi-logical DCM Detailed Clinical Models to specify V2, FHIR and C-CDA, etc. structure definitions bound to SOLOR vocabularies and code sets, resulting in interoperable and requirements traceable HL7 FIRE, CDA and V2 profile and extension implementation guides, APIs, components and services used for data sharing among learning systems, analytics, reasoning and decision support systems. This methodology can positively impact inconsistent extraction, transfer and load, ETL, processes that put HIM data at risk. Federal agencies, partners, vendors and contractors should incorporate these modern best practice, standards, methodologies, technologies and tools, to enhance semantic interoperability. In the slide, we specify our DAM reference domain analysis model in steps 1-2 EHR-S FM system functional model with the FHIM Federal Health Information Model enables the formation of a SO reference model for open distributed processing. SO domain-specific cohesive object spheres, of knowledge, activities and influence can maintain conceptual integrity within loosely coupled HIT components, where context-specific clinical objects of functions and data can be validated by clinical domain SMEs and stakeholders. In the slide, a clinical analyst and informaticist can bootstrap a new project with 1. EHR-S FM clinical requirements stated as conformance criteria, mapped to 2. FHIM domain-specific data requirements. This domain data can be constrained to 3. Application-specific clinical statements specified as 4. Logical semi-compliant DCM Detailed Clinical Models, which can be represented as FHIR structure definition. DCMs can be bound to 5. SOLOR terminology to specify consistent and requirements traceability. 6. Standard IG implementation guides for FHIR profiles, C-CDA templates and V2 artifacts. Large-scale enterprise initiatives can have rigorous development of DCMs by seasoned clinical professionals in steps 1-6, resulting in faster, better and cheaper reusable software components by healthcare IT developers in steps 6-8. SDLC consistency can be verified by Model-Driven Message Interface, MDMI, tools in Step 9 resulting in improved interoperability from FHIM, CIMI, SOLOR, EHR-FM compliance. Small-scale site initiatives can have individual developers profile or extend Step 6, FHIR, CDA or V2 standards or start with Step 7, reusable component libraries to create Step 8, fit-for-purpose software. In Step 9, fit-for-purpose systems can be verified, in runtime, to have improved interoperability by maintaining semi-compliance. In summary, the notional FHIM, CIMI SOLOR, EHR-S FM data quality strategy operationalizes service-oriented architecture lessons learned to simplify and improve governance, products, processes, and reduce healthcare IT costs. The notional methodology will take time to mature across clinical domains, where FHIM, CIMI and EHR-S FM collaboration and compliance can positively influence patient safety, care quality and cost value by finding inflection points, where interoperable products and services efficiently and effectively meet HIT developer and clinical user needs. Acronyms. FHIM is the Federal Health Information Model sponsored by the U.S. Health and Human Services Office of the National Coordinator. CIMI is the HL7 Clinical Information Model Initiative and is led by Intermountain Healthcare. EHR-S FM is the HL7 EHR System Functional Model and is led by the HL7 EHR Work Group. SOLOR is the HSPC Healthcare Services Platform Consortium SNOMED extension for LOINC and RX norm and is led by the VA. VSAC is the National Library of Medicine Value Set Authority Center. End of Notional FHIM to FIRE methodology.